Welcome to the Misha Wilson Show, where we show you how to create massive success online so you can enjoy the lifestyle of your wildest dreams.
Hey, if you've ever wished that you could run Facebook ads as an affiliate marketer and do it in a way where your accounts don't get shut down, your profiles don't get banned, and do it in a way that's extremely profitable, stick around and watch today's video through until the very end, as I'm about to share with you the 3 secrets to success with Facebook advertising as an affiliate marketer. With that said, if this is your first video, my name is Misha Wilson, and over the course of the last few years, I've done over $15 million in total sales online, and Facebook ads have been one of the various traffic sources that I've used. And I've seen people do them the right way that allows them to run ads as an affiliate. And I've seen and experienced the feeling of having my ad accounts be shut down. In today's video, I want to share with you how you can once again not get shut down while at the same time remain profitable. As always, if you get value, let me know what your biggest takeaway is in the comments section below. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon notification button so that you're notified when I do more videos just like this. With that said, let's go ahead and dive right in. All right, so firstly, why am I talking specifically about affiliate marketing here? So the difference between affiliate marketing and some other, let's say, information marketing as an example, is that you have to be extra careful with Facebook. So right now, above and beyond all else, the biggest problem, or one of the biggest problems, is very simply, ad accounts getting shut down, right? It's kind of like with Facebook, they ban your ad accounts, they'll ban your business manager, then they'll ban your entire profile from being able to advertise on Facebook, even if you have a different business manager. So it's kind of 1, 2, 3 strikes, you're out. And the more strikes that you have against you, the harder and harder and harder it becomes to get in the good standings of Facebook. Where if you follow Facebook rules, I don't know if you've ever seen someone running an ad and they're running an ad and the ad is really hyping and the ad's kind of total BS, but you can't run an ad that's like saying, hey, I think this thing, you'll like it, it's cool. Your ad's super tame, their ad's super hypey, but they're getting away with it and you're getting shut down. If you've ever experienced that frustration, I totally understand. And the reason this person's allowed to do that is because they've gotten in the good graces of Facebook. Once you get in the good graces of Facebook, you have more leeway to push the envelope with your advertising. Now, obviously, always stay in compliance, remain compliant, but you can say a little bit more. You can actually touch on the pain just a little bit. Shocking, I know, but again, until you're in the good graces, you can't touch on the pain at all. You can't say anything that might imply that someone would have success with your product. You can't really say anything, and you get shut down really quickly. So I know it's super frustrating. So again, with affiliate marketing, there's even more because Facebook does not like redirects, does not like affiliate links, etc. And that's what I'm going to be talking about right now here today. So rule number 1 for success with affiliate marketing with Facebook ads is do not use affiliate links and do not use redirect links, all right? So if you have a link that is, mishawilson.com/opt-in, and then they click that link and then it goes to, misha.myaffiliateproduct.com, a totally different URL, you will get shut down instantly, all right? So do not use redirect links. Also, do not use affiliate links. So an affiliate link would be the actual direct link that the company or the product creator gives you to go ahead and promote. The problem with promoting that direct link is, well, guess what? There's probably 10,000 other people promoting that exact same direct link, and chances are someone at some point in time has come to Facebook, broken the rules, ran ads in a way that they should not run ads, and therefore that domain is then blacklisted with Facebook. All right, and so if you run that domain, even if your ads are perfect, even if your messaging's perfect, even if everything's perfect with your targeting, everything's compliant, everything's good, you will immediately get your account shut down based on what the other person did, before you even got started. So rule number 1 is do not use redirect links or, once again, affiliate links. All right, now rule number 2, and kind of it ties into rule number 1, is use your own lander and give away your own lead magnet, right? So maybe it's an ebook, maybe it's a video, maybe it's a webinar. I would recommend, if you're an affiliate marketer and you're first getting started, give away an ebook, something simple, or a cheat sheet, right? So you want to have an individual lander, and you want to make sure that there's no funky redirects. You want to make sure that there's no, affiliate links. And literally, if the ad or the exact link in the ad is MishaWilson.com, when they click that thing, they go over to a page that is MishaWilson.com, and that page gives them away a free ebook, a free video, a free webinar, right? Now that page also has to be compliant, right? So any claim that you have, firstly, I'd recommend when you're first getting started, remove all income claims, right? But then any claim that you do have, it has to be in the I context. So none of, let me show you how to build a profitable business. Instead, it's discover how I built a profitable business leveraging this method. So any claim, once again, in the I context, 0 redirects, right? We don't want to bring them from Misha Wilson to sand.com to whatever other domain you might bring them to. Keep it exactly the same with the actual domains, and then make sure that on that page you have all of your disclaimers dialed in. All right, so have your refund policies, have your income disclaimers, have your terms and conditions, have all of your various legal disclaimers dialed in. I know this is the most boring stuff in the world as an entrepreneur, and the last thing you wake up to getting fired up about in the morning is, God, let me create some legal disclaimers, right? I know it's the worst thing in the world, but at the same time, if you've seen all the different stuff that Facebook's gone through, right? Facebook got fined by the FTC $5 billion. Facebook was, who knows whether they're involved in the election, but everyone has their opinion about whether they were involved in this election and the last election. Facebook is under such scrutiny from the government that what it means is that they have to triple down, quadruple down, 10x down on compliance, which means that, look, if you want to run your ads on Facebook, you have to 10x down on compliance as well. So make sure all your disclaimers, make sure all your policies, refund policies, everything like that is in place on that landing page. Now, when someone opts into the landing page, and it's the second page in the funnel, that's where you could bring them to a sales page, right? Now, what I would even recommend is I would recommend bringing them from that landing page to a bridge page. This bridge page is on the exact same domain, right? So it's MishaWilson.com/lander. They opt in, it goes to MishaWilson.com/bridge, right? So Facebook is seeing that levels down your funnel, it's the exact same domain. Then from there, they look at a little video of you, bridge video, they click through, and that's where you can promote your affiliate product, all right? So you wanna bring them through a path that by the time you're promoting the affiliate product, they're kind of off of Facebook's radar, right? They're not looking at that domain. They're not looking at that domain that might have negative history. They're not looking at that domain that might have been blacklisted. They're not looking at that domain that they might, think is a scam or whatever Facebook might think, because once again, you have total control of the process up until that point. And lastly, and this is more about profitability, with Facebook costs rising, right? So everything that's going on right now, there's more and more people advertising on Facebook, there's more and more competition, Facebook costs are constantly rising all the time. With Facebook costs rising, double down on email follow-up. So based on the fact that you're sending people to a landing page, you're getting their email address, they're opting into your list, you're then sending them to a bridge page, it's all the same domain, it all has legal disclaimers, you're all good on that front. Every single claim is in the I context, right? So you're good on those fronts. They're on your email list, now it's time to follow up. With your email list, once again, you can be more aggressive. Obviously stay compliant, but you can actually say, look, I'm gonna show you how to build a highly profitable online business. You can use different claims with your email marketing, of course, that are FTC compliant, but Facebook might not still like them. So with your email marketing, double down, be very consistent. Have that initial indoctrination series. If you don't know how to create an indoctrination series, check out a video that I'll link out to at the end of this video. But double down on the impact of your email follow-up, double down on any follow-up that you can do within your Facebook process. And once again, as advertising costs rise, the people at the end of the day win are the people who can make more sales through their entire funnel and then also more sales through their follow-up. So with that said, I hope you got a ton of value out of this video. Once again, not the most fun thing to talk about in the world when it comes to stuff getting shut down, Facebook accounts getting shut down, etc. But it's vitally important if you want to run Facebook ads in today's marketplace. And with that said, be sure to check out this video when it comes to the keys of running profitable Facebook ads, and then check out this video when it comes to how to set up an email follow-up campaign that converts. If you got value, let me know what your biggest takeaway was. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon notification button, and I'll see you in the next video.